Hi friends, I have added the practice model download link in this video description. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for video notifications.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create this screw jack part, body part, first part number. This is CAE metal. CAE is nothing but material is CAE. It is a cast iron. First I am going to create one sketch on XY plane, GY plane. Overall dimension is 185. Just I am drawing one reference line for 185. And converting this line to reference line. Next I am going to draw this outer profile. So outer profile dimension is 20 mm height and 140 diameter. So already I am going to take this one as a center line. So 70 mm. From 70 I need to draw this 20 and then 50 and then 60. We need to stop it and then I need to go slightly on incline and then 40 mm. So for this one just I am taking profile. So this value is 20, angle is 90, and from here to here 20. Angle is 120, 180. Then it is slant. Then it is slight slant. And then it is on slight slant. And then 40. So this dimension it is 40. So before that, if I maintain this dimension, this profile will move. From here to here it is 70 mm. So my profile got moved here. This dimension is 66 diameter. So if this is a radius, then it is 33. This point and this point is same. This point and this point is 0. So that this area got updated. Next we are going to draw this internal profile. For internal we have this point is 50. 50 means 25, 35, 10 mm width. And then this area also it is 50. Just I am drawing one line for 10 mm. Then just I am stopping at intermediate, maintaining parallelism with this line, and then this one we have dimension 20 mm, it is 90. And this height is 3 mm. So just I'm stopping this one, extending this line. This depth we need to maintain 10. So our sketches completed. Next I'm going to give finish. Next we are going to do the ribbon operation. So sketch I am selecting, specific vector axis I am just taking C, giving OK. So everything it is all by default, it is having everything correct. So we have given so our body part is created as per the given dimension. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. We will see the assembly part in upcoming videos.
Hi friends, I have added the practice model download link in this video description. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon for video notifications.